How you doing today, guys? Ektrader here. It's July 8th, 2009 at 10:32 a.m. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing right now. This is the Russell 2000 Index Mini Size Futures on the 1600 tick chart. And what I have up is this is one of my favorite plays. What I like to do. I know you guys might see a lot of lines and everything, so it might not be clear, but whatever. It's what I like to do. So um, I'm not worried about the MACD on this particular play. I just have it on the chart. But I have my volume up, have my candlestick chart, and the basis of this play is these particular two moving averages. What I like to see is a close above or a close below both moving averages. When I see one of the two, I take the retracement back to the first moving average, and then I go into the direction of the candle. So in other words, for instance, this closed low. I put a sell order, a short order here. Okay, my trade caught. It went up, it went down, it went up, then it decided to go back up. Now I always put my stop loss usually at the second moving average, which is here. So on my last play, I ended up getting stopped out right here for a small loss, no problem. Then it turned around on me and closed below the moving average again, so I went short again right here. And as you can see, my stop loss is here. Actually, I got to move that down one tick right now, another tick. Okay, I like to keep my stop loss at this moving average. And then basically, so far this particular play has gone my way. Now as you can see here, it's kind of stutter stepping right now because there's a support line sitting here. Okay, I just drew that up for you. As you can see, it bounced right off that little level right there, right here at 481.10. But like I said, since my overall bias is down, I feel like it's gonna continue down. I think it's gonna go down for the rest of the day, but I don't know. Right now I'm up to 20. I've already made a little money today on one of my previous plays, so I'm willing to just kind of let this one work and not take profits too soon, and just see what happens. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll keep you guys posted just as I'm about to close it out. Thanks. How you doing, guys? Ektrader here again. It's 10:40 a.m. Still in the same play. As you can see, this thing finally, it went ahead, it broke down, kind of like I anticipated, and now as you can see here, the market has created a new roof. Okay, it broke support, and now the support, well, hopefully this should become resistance now, and it shouldn't really go past this, I don't think, for the rest of the day. So I definitely feel good about that. I shorted 2 contracts. As you can see, I'm up a lot of money right now. I'm up 600. It seems to be falling pretty good. I'm definitely going to start moving my stop down and protect these profits, but I'm willing to let it run a little while longer. I'm hoping I can turn this into another nice big score. I've been struggling for a few weeks, but then I had that nice option trade the other day. Actually, I had 2 nice option trades. I had a nice trade this morning for about $400 or $500, and it'd be nice to cap it off with another trade here. I tried to record my first trade, but I didn't get any sound for some strange reason, so I just went ahead and scratched it. I'm going to bring this stop down. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scale out of 1 instead. If it reaches the 479.8 level, it'll scale out of 1, and then I'll put a stop loss on the other 1. But just to give a quick overview again of this particular play. Like I said, my bias was down simply because of the activity of the previous days, and also, like I said, this is a play that I like to do. I have like about a 70%, 70-80% accuracy on this particular play. The only thing is I never really know how far it's going to fall, so usually it's only good for maybe a point. And in the Russell, that translates to 10 ticks or $100 per contract. In this particular case, I was fortunate. My bias is down, and it just so happens that it continued to keep falling. So I feel good about that. That was real good. And so that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and bring it back to you when I'm about to close this thing out. Thanks. How you doing again, guys? It's 10:55 a.m. Thanks for going along on this little trading journey with me. As you can see here, I'm still in the play. It's kind of been flirting back and forth. This little candle here sent me on a little bit of a scare. I thought I was about to give back the majority of my profits. I was like, holy crap. But for whatever reason, they're still rejecting prices in this level, pushing the market down, and things are still going my way. So I'm definitely happy about that. Um, and I really do have reason to believe that I believe they're going to break down even further. Hopefully, I can scale out of this one contract at this 479.8 level. Looks like it's about to happen soon, and this thing just continues to fall. I'm gonna continue to let it ride. Hopefully, if it sells out of that level. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys how. There it is. It just caught. I just scaled out of one contract. Now I have one left on the table. I just wanted to show how the market will retest certain levels, retest the resistance level to see if they can gain any interest here, which obviously they didn't. The market makers are bearish. Um, Everything about this whole market right now is bearish. There's really no reason to go long at all. So this is definitely a good play. Um, Nothing else to report. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'll keep you guys posted when I'm about to close it out. Thanks. How you doing, guys? It's 11:02 a.m. Ektrader again. As you can see, this thing just totally fell out of bed. Very good trade. One of the better trades that I've accomplished on this particular setup in a while. I'm not gonna push my luck any longer. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this thing. It could actually, I just checked my daily chart, and the next major level I believe is at 474. But I don't want to wait for that. I'm just gonna go ahead and get out of this thing fairly soon here. I'm not even gonna play around. 478.4.